So this is May again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this morning, I'm going to make an update on my plants, in our plants during the ECQ, or yes. Okay guys, we planted this plant last week of April. So as you can see there are already flowers, like in the ampalaya. There are 2 flowers there, but we cannot see that 1, 2, 4 from the camera. So we have here the flower, and so with our cucumber has flowers also. Yes, there are lots of flowers that you can see here. Look, and I am amazed because this is just 1 month, I think 1 month, but then it has flowers. Not only that 2 cucumber there, but also that one. Almost all cucumbers have flowers. And so with our beans, look at that. Our beans has already, that one, look. Yes, that one. Already. Vegetable. Look. Flowers in our cucumber. Flowers are still there in the. So I have something to show up. It's a small cucumber. And that's our ampalaya there. Our okra has no flowers yet. And look at that leafy vegetables there at the back. So this is what we call bagu in Bisaya. I don't know what's bagu in English, but then we have plenty of this at home. So see that? Look. And the other side, in the other part of our house, we have also a lot of plants. Bagu. Fruit. Bagu again. Bagu. See? We have a lot of bagu here, back and beside our house. And okay. So this is the garden. This is a small garden that we made last week of April. And look at this now. Look at this now. It's a simple and small, but then we can sow something from this 1 month or 2 months after. Pechay! There's also pechay here. And spring onion. I don't know what's this. that's all for today, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.